Hey guys, I'm Brandon Wright with Valley Buick GMC in our service department. Congratulations on the new vehicle, and we want to show you where your first visit is going to be. Here at the Quick Lube, it's your first stop back into Buick GMC in your new vehicle. Going to introduce you to Jay over here. He's our Quick Lube manager, and let you know how the first visit goes.
Hey, how you doing? Thanks for buying a vehicle at Valley Buick GMC. Your first visit is going to be right here. Sign that says license plates. You're going to pull up to that bay. We're going to pull you inside, put your license plates on, remind you about your first service visit, how that transaction takes place, and then get you on your way. And thanks again for buying a car at Valley Buick GMC.
When you pull into the dealership, you'll pull right past service. To the left, you'll see our Quick Lube Center here. Just follow the arrows. You'll pull up to the N2 bays with the open doors. Once you get to the bay, we will guide you on in and get your vehicle serviced for you.
Going up, Bay 3.
Alright, so once you pull in, we'll get you coffee, water, a newspaper. We have Wi-Fi to enjoy. You don't even have to get out of the vehicle. We're going to lift you up if you require a tire rotation. Otherwise, you can just wait in the vehicle and we'll get your oil changed and check all your fluids and check your tire pressure, make sure your vehicle's in tip-top shape.
Alright, you're good to go. We'll see you next time. Have a good one.
Hey guys, congratulations on the new vehicle. If you need any recalls or concerns on your new vehicle that don't involve our Quick Lube Center, you're going to come down and see us here in service and parts. This here is Daisy. She's at our parts and accessories counter.
Hey there, I'm coming up on a year here at Valley Buick, and you need parts, I got them. Come on in and let me help you live your best life.
And we're going to meet Rick, one of our service advisors, Toby and Jessica here.
Hi, I've been with Valley Buick going on 51 years now. Started here when I was 16, and it's been a great place to work. I should have pulled my mask down so you could see me, but anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, and we'll be looking forward to talking to you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Toby Parsons, and I've been here 7 years now, and please give us a call for your service on your new vehicle, and congratulations again on your purchase, and we look forward to meeting you.
Hi, I'm Jessica Flick. I've been here almost 5 years. Congratulations on your new vehicle. If you need any help scheduling any service, give us a call, or any questions in particular, we'll give us a shout out and we'll help you out.
Hi, I'm Bill Russell. Hey, welcome to Valley Buick GMC. I've been here for a long time, 40 years or so, give or take, okay? A couple of months here and there. We just want to welcome you to our store. Make certain that you're enjoying every moment that you're here, making sure that we can help you in every way we can.
Oh, and by the way, guys, we do have mobile check-in and mobile pay. Just ask your advisor when you come in to see us. Congratulations again, and enjoy the new vehicle, guys.